Let's face it, everyone needs to shop for groceries. Whether we're buying ingredients to cook from scratch, staples, lunchbox snacks, or ready-made meals, our supermarket decisions are key when it comes to our family's health and nutrition. Most of us get into the habit of buying the same things week in and week out without much thought, especially if we know the kids will approve. But what goes in our trolley has a big impact on the quality of our family's overall nutrition. Simple swaps, such as replacing one loaf of bread for a similar one that has double the fiber, or choosing a low-sodium cheese that tastes exactly like your old favorite, are easy changes that can make a massive difference. Come shopping with me, and together we'll explore the best supermarket choices for your family. I'll guide you through the aisles and help you cut through the noise of confusing nutrition claims and marketing messages. I developed the Wholesome Child shopping course to help parents just like you gain the knowledge and confidence you need to select the healthiest options possible. You will discover how to read and understand food labels, how to choose the healthiest staples, including milk, dairy alternatives, and bread, delicious family recipes for everyone to enjoy, and a smart recipe tool that allows you to filter recipes by key ingredients, meal type, allergens, and much more. Supermarket buzzwords and the true superfoods that belong in our trolley, my top picks, and a sample meal plan. So come on, let's go shopping. Sign up today.